Hello guys, today I'll review you about Vivo Y50, which is very good Android that I have used nearly 2 years. So if you look at this, it is very smooth. It have three camera with one flash, and the bottom it is have one charge and three hole of speakers and one port of headset. On the left have SIM, we have two SIM card and one memory. So it is, the thickness is very thin that you can hold it very lightly, very useful. So this Android is good for playing in general internet, Facebook, YouTube, and some editing like CapCut, TikTok. And the memory is just 128 gigabyte. The RAM is 8 gigabyte, and the battery will last 8 hours if you play if you online on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other media, not editing. Camera on the top of the phone, on the left side, not in the right. So it is a bit messy, a bit I don't like sometimes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.